Good day everybody! Today we are in Liberties in London. James is just going to the toilet. We've been to his old house today where he used to live so he can relive a bit of his childhood. We are just going to see the Christmas lights in Oxford Street and then we're going to Hyde Park to Winter Wonderland. So I'm going to take you on this adventure with us today for Vlogmas Day 4. We are on Oxford Circus, trying to get run over. Doing a bit of shopping. Just been to Liberties. I got some stuff for Liberties Christmas present. It's 5 o'clock, there's people everywhere, and there's pretty lights. Pretty lights!